butterflies lay their eggs. On or there near the plant their babies will want to eat when they hatch. Butterflies' eggs hatch into little hungry caterpillars. Yeah, caterpillars, of course.
Yes.
Where are seeds made? Most seeds grow from flowers. You can find the seed inside fruits, pots, and berries.
Good job.
That's nice. Look at this girl face. Where can I find a tadpole?
Tadpoles.
Did you read this? In a quiet pond in springtime, where there no fish eat tadpoles.
Oh, the fish eat tadpoles. Yeah.
No. They start as little soft eggs. Over here. Always put tadpoles back in the pond where you found them. What is this called?
Slash. Space.
Them. Space. It's their home. It's their home. Where is rock made? Oh, I don't know that.
Let's find out.
Under the sea and under the ground.
Okay.
This is a lot to read.
I know.
Rock on the surface. It's poured down by wind and water into tiny pieces.
Okay.
The tiny pieces become mud and sand. Eventually, they will squash together into rock again.
Okay.
Mud, sand, dead plants, and dead animals are squished into rock. What? Over millions of years. Oh my God.
Wow.
When we were not born.
Oh no.
Let's do this one. Where do birds build their nests?
Okay.
Oh my God, that's sure tight. In place that
Hunters.
hunters can't reach.
Yes.
High up on a cliff. And floating plants in a tree.
Yes.
Let's do this one. Where are you talking?
Picking.
Ticking. No, talking.
No, picking.
Taking that nut. I'm going to bury it. What is this?
I bury hundreds.
I bury hundreds nuts and seeds before the winter. Wait, what's this? Many berries are oh no, that's not. Many berries are poisonous. So always check with a grown-up first.
Yes, that's right. Okay, next page.
Not this one.
Oh, we did not finish that one.
When there's nothing else to so we stop. I'll dig them up again if I can find
Find them all.
Find them all. Let's do this one. Where do clouds come from? Maybe God, I guess.
Maybe water.
Yeah, I guess.
No, after the sky.
The sky when water. You're correct.
Mm-hmm.
Drops scale water. They often grow above the sea or over the mountains. It's sometimes like that.
Yes. Where are the biggest
No,
waves?
no. Where are the biggest waves? Let's take this. On beach.
Yes.
Wait. Next to big reaches of the ocean. Strong winds at
Sea creates
big
big waves.
big waves.
The waves.
Why? Question mark. Why?
Why? Question mark, right?
Yeah. Why do night animals wake up at night? Why do they do that?
Owl.
Oh my god, this is so scary. Like he has huge.
Look at the owl, Sophie.
Owl. Sorry.
Careful, because if you do that one, it will break.
Let's carry spider. Some find it safer at night. Others find less competition for hiding. Hot in desert. Many animals choose to come out at night because it's colder. Oh yeah. It's cooler there when it's nighttime. But when it's nighttime, it's gonna be cooler for animals.
Why do spiders make webs? Why?
Because I think they will stay there.
What is this?
That's their house?
Okay,
Yeah,
this
maybe
is
that's the
shell?
house.
Yeah, okay. We'll see.
I guess. To catch their food.
Yeah?
Yeah. And what's
The waves are made of thin
No. What are these?
exclamation point.
Exclamation point. The waves are made of thin, sticky scales that hard to see. Insects fly into the sticky trap web. They get trapped and eaten. Wait, and eaten. Make it like
Eaten.
Yummy, yikes.
Yummy, yum.
Why do moles make
Yummy, yum.
heels?
Heels, yeah.
Oh my god, that's sure.
Do you know what is heels?
Yeah, I really know. It's like a high heel or something.
No, like when you outside.
Yeah, if you
Goes
see
up.
if you see
Yes.
this one, then the mole's inside.
That's right.
If you found that, then you need to tell us.
Okay, come on, keep reading.
They don't mean to
It's tunnel.
tunnel building. They
They
in,
are
interested in but the soul.
What is this? This was the moon.
They dig out ends up making little tin
Heels.
heels.
Yay!
Sophie, don't. Yes, don't use your feet, please.
I'm
Because you'll break the
pushing. I'm pushing. So out of my tunnel. Sorry.
Are you done? No.
After this page and this page, we're done.
Whoa, you have lots page.
Yeah,
Go.
we have 1, 2.
3, 4, 5 more to go.
Yeah, this is the last page.
Okay.
Why do rabbits have fluffy white tails?
Okay, one.
Why do bees? Oh, wait, sorry.
You have to see the answer.
Sorry. Because
To confuse
to confuse
their
their
enemies.
Oh, enemies.
Mm.
What is this one?
When a fox
Chase a rabbit. It follows the white tail.
okay.
But when the rabbit makes a sharp tail
Turn. The fox
lose sight of the
tail
tail
in
and
the
the
rabbit
rabbit
escape. Oh,
That is cool.
that's cool, huh? Why do
Why
bees
do bees
make
make
honey?
honey? You guess, Mom. Maybe.
For us to have honey to put
No,
in
no.
our pancake?
No.
Ano why?
Maybe because we cannot live without cucumbers without bees. We cannot live without strawberries without bees. We cannot live with bananas without bees. Maybe
Okay,
that. Maybe
open
that.
it.
I'm guessing. Because I heard it from my computer. Baby bees larva. Is it larva?
Mhm.
To feed babies bees in their nest or hive, they make extra honey to eat enough the winter.
Yes.
I didn't know that.
Okay.
Why do geese fly in a shape?
Oh yeah, because sometimes before it's winter or spring, the geese, you know, like we every time we see at the sky,
Yeah.
and they fly like this, like V shape.
Yeah, we saw
Why?
it.
I'm so curious. Can you see? So they can use the air from the wings of the bird in front to make it easier to fly. Oh, so they can use
I'm gonna
the
go
air.
blow my nose. You keep on. You read this with this one, okay? You read it while I'm gone.
Why do we need worms? Why do we need worms? Worms dig up the soil and feast on dead leaves. This makes the soil good for plants to grow. Did you see the worms, Sophie?
Yes, I do that.
What color is the worms?
Red.
Red. Okay. Why do trees lose their leaves?
Why does the tree lose the
Why?
leaves?
Because there's not enough light, water,
Yes.
or warmth for leaves in the winter, so trees have a rest and wait for springtime.
No, Mommy, I want to do it.
Why are our beaks different shapes?
Shapes.
To suit
Mommy, I want
the
to do
different
it
jobs we
with
do.
me.
Oh, sorry. Come.
What's I say?
Here. Open. Say
Okay.
to suit different jobs we do. Short
Okay.
and pointy.
So
Peck for insects and seed.
I'm back.
So you can see the seeds.
Okay. Why don't trees grow on mountain tops? Why? On mountain tops, why? We'll see. Because the higher you go, the harder it is for trees to grow. There's not much soil or water, and it can be windy and cold too.
Yes.